clear sky this morning, but there's a sharp wind and it was 0.5 degrees C this morning, so a little bit chilly, but the sun's out, so hopefully it'll warm up. We're going to take a little wander down into the almond field, see what's happening down here. There still hasn't been any rain, even though I washed the windows the other day. So the plants are, they're sort of surviving, but they're not flourishing by any means. You can see there's a little albida. There's lots of albida seedlings actually along this whole run here. There's loads, but they could really do with a bit of rain, a lot of rain, but in gentleness. We don't want any huge, great, floody downpours. Thank you very much. So we've come out and there's quite a strong wind now, and Flicky's getting a little bit spooked. I think the sheep are okay. They're sort of, there's Millie. Three musketeers over there. Oh, there we are. She's found herself an almond. She's a happy girl now. But it might be a short walk today because, my fingers are going numb. So there's not been much regeneration here lately because we haven't had the rain. You see the sky, it's just blue, blue, blue. You wouldn't believe it could be 0.5 degrees. It's probably warmed up a little bit now. But the sun through the grasses here is so beautiful. So a little bit of a north wind, northwesterly. Oh, it's a bit chilly. Gorgeous sky. So our walk didn't last very long. Pumpkin was getting a bit spooked. So now it's feeding time. Morning feeding time. Sorry for the shaky camera. My fingers have gone numb. So they're getting fed in their shelter today. Keep them away from this really bitter wind.